Greetings, world. I have found a way to help society through genetic engineering in the most sustainable way possible. Hi, my name is Dr. Prasetyo, and I'm a research scientist, and today I would like to share my findings with you as a representative on behalf of my friends in the lab as research scientists. Before we go further, I would like to explain what genetic engineering is in the most scientific way. According to the National Human Genome Research Institute, genetic engineering, also called genetic modification, is a process that uses laboratory based technologies to alter the DNA makeup of an organism. There are two types of applied genetic engineering that we use in today's world, which are animals and agriculture. Some of the examples of applied genetic engineering in animals are transgenic cow and glowfish. Transgenic cow are genetically modified cows, and they have extra genes inserted into their DNA. Transgenic cow produce milk similar to breast milk. Its purpose is to produce milk that closely resembles to human milk in terms of nutritional composition and reduce the risk of infection. Next example of genetic engineering in animals we have created is glowfish. Now this is a unique type of genetic engineering. This species is used to detect pollution inside water. We created glowfish by inserting fluorescent genes from jellyfish and sea anemones into the eggs of a silver and black zebra daniel, a tropical fish from India. The fish was designed to help us determine when waterways were contaminated. If they glowed, it meant there were pollutants in the water. Some of the examples of applied genetic engineering in plants are BT corn and minefield detecting plants. BT corn's purpose is to have resistance toward pesticides and insects, resulting in increased crops to prevent scarcity. We have found a solution to improve food security towards people with lack of access to nutritional food. Not only BT corn, but we also have created golden rice, where every person who consumes golden rice will have the nutrition they need every day. On the other hand, is minefield detecting plants. Minefield detecting plants are genetically engineered plants. We have given spinach the ability to detect landmines. Just like the name, minefield detecting plants detect the existence of bomb underneath a minefield. Our fellow friends, Arista scientists, had genetically modified the wheat so that it reacts to nitrogen dioxide, a gas commonly emitted by explosives. As a result, it is a new way to detect mines. Sprinkle the seeds over a suspect area and wait a few minutes for the tallow crust to grow, and whenever they turn red, you have danger. Of course, in every experiment we have done comes its benefits and risk. But move the risk. I'm just kidding. Just hear me out. Genetic engineering allows more nutritious foods. Just like golden rice, it's intention so that people can consume more nutritious food through one type of food. Genetic engineering solves food security problems. People with needs in some part of the world are in food scarcity. Agriculture drops while it's the only source of food they got. Beauty corn is a result of genetic engineering that its purpose is to have resistance towards pesticides, resulting in crops to increase and more healthy food options as pesticides can be harmful for people to consume if it's not cleaned well. Diseases such as Parkinson's disease, asthma, depression and anxiety, attention to deficit, and hyperactivity disorder or ADHD, and cancer, including leukemia and non Hodgkin's lymphoma. Genetic engineered animals may be disease resistant, parasite resistant, and withstand stress. The beneficial trait can likely improve their well being because they will be more productive. Animals live in many different habitats. We can take advantage of that to use them for research about our place of living. Just like the glowfish, genetic engineering of animals offers solutions for improving public health and enhancing quality of life. The benefits include advancing human health, enhancing food production, reducing environmental impact, optimizing animal health and welfare, and production of cutting edge industrial applications. Not only that, genetic engineering can happen in the medical field. People in need of cures such as cancer use genetic engineering called chemotherapy. It is a part of gene therapy field which involves changing possible genes, creating the disease on the body of the person to be gone. Other than that, Genetic engineering can be used for people who decide to change their inherited traits and disease records for the following generations. Designer babies is one of them. Remember when I said taking advantage of animals for the sake of research? Yeah, it may be profitable for us. However, it may not be for them. Genetically engineered animals rarely survive for a very long time, and as they are designed, they may not be able to reproduce. The next one is that since biotechnology is a new thing, we cannot ensure the person who is using biotechnology has a safe process. Since it is still in the process of advancement, people who use biotechnology or genetic engineering in hope of cure can go the other way. We cannot ensure a person to have a long life after the treatment. We think the purpose of genetic engineering in today's world is very important. In a modern world and society, anything can happen easily. A virus breakdown, maybe even a zombie apocalypse. We need genetic engineering to be as advanced as possible. My fellow partners and I are trying our best to ensure a safe life for every living thing existing on this planet. We are trying our best to find solutions to the costs we have made for the sake of our safety, such as the animals and plants that have been sacrificed for the experimental purposes. Our research through genetic engineering has been shared into the world. In conclusion, even if there are potential risks on genetic engineering use, we still have the benefits. With a much more advanced biotechnology, I'm sure we can find more solutions to today's problem, even the ones we have unintentionally caused. I'm Dr. Prasetyo, and as a representative on behalf of my friends in the lab as research scientists, I want to say thank you for listening to my speech.